Hello friends, today we will discuss about how can we able to create the detailed concrete analysis, concrete design in the StatPro Connect edition. This is my structure I have already created in StatPro Connect edition, and now I am going to perform the analysis of design of this structure. These are all the properties I have already provided, and I have provided some loads here, that is seismic load. We can provide some more loads, just creating the load case, that is dead load and the dead load, and we can create the live load, add, close. In the dead load, I am going to specify the self weight factor -1 in the y direction, and live load in the, we are going to specify the particular -7.5 kilonewton per meter in the global y direction, and here I am going to specify one more load, that is 4 load. Value is -3 kilonewton per meter square. Y range is 0 to 50 meter because my building height is 50 meter, so sorry, 60 meter. Just click on OK, select the self weight and assign to view, and select the particular UDL and assign it to all the members, that is beam parallel to X, beam parallel to Z, all the beams, and floor load automatically loaded. Now I am going to analyze this structure. Just go to analysis. It will showing error and warnings. There is no any error in the structure. So for the concrete analysis, just select the concrete, and from the defined parameter I have to just specify the clear cover for the beam and columns. Also I am going to specify 25 mm for beams and 40 mm for the column. Add, and we can define other parameter like fy main. I am going to use fe415, and fy secondary I am already take fe415 for the fy secondary. Also we can specify the minimum and maximum bar sizes. So this is my minimum size of bar, that is 10 mm, and I am taking the main bar minimum, secondary bar minimum, that is 10 mm. So these are all factor I have to decide in the StatPro Connect edition for the designing of the particular beam and column. Selecting these are all the factors I have decided. Just click on add and close. Now click on commands to perform the analysis. Design beam add, design column add, and take off we have taken as add, close. Assign these are all the created parameter to the respective members. Clear cover 25 mm we have to decide on the particular beams, that is beam parallel to X, beam parallel to Z. Click on assign, yes, and clear cover of 40 mm I have to decide on the columns, beam parallel to Y, assign, yes. Fy main, and unfortunately I have created two fy main, so I have to delete one. Fy main I have to decide whole the structures, and fy secondary also whole structure. Minimum main bars also whole structure, and minimum secondary bars also on the whole structure. Design beam should be assigned to the all the beams, beam parallel to X, beam parallel to Z, assign, yes, and for the column beam parallel to Y, assign, yes. So I have decided all the parameter to the respective members. Now I have to just analyze the structures for showing the results. Just run analysis, save. It will take some time to perform the analysis. After that we will see the cross section on the particular member. This is there is no any error. So structure, for reviewing the particular cross section, just double click on the any member. I am going to select the double click on the particular member and select the concrete design. Here is an option coming For the cross section, we can print is as a PDF. Just select all the structure and save as cross section name. Go to the desktop, save this file. I can review that particular PDF file from the desktop. Just open the cross section. So this is my cross section element, cross section view of the particular beam, that is beam number 17. I can review the particular column cross sections also. Just double click on the column and review the particular cross section. So this is how we can create perform the detailed concrete design in the STAAD Pro Connect edition.